What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here, and as we can see, it still looks as though it's coiling up for a move. You can see quite clearly here that we are still respecting this upwards trend line that we have been bouncing off of for quite some time here. We've come down today and actually tested it at around that $200-ish level. Obviously a good psychological support as well. Just drag this down onto 200 there, you can see. We've come down onto that $200 psychological support and got the bounce. Look, it looks as though we are doing something like this, right, where we are coiling up. Obviously, you'd expect the next move to come back up towards this level at around $225. And then we're coiling into this apex potentially for that big move to the upside. Obviously, it remains to be seen which direction we'll go, but we think considering we're in a bull market, we recently made a new all-time high as well. Doing something like this, where we could be, forming the big cup, and then come back down, form a handle maybe, and get that explosion to the upside. But I think because we're coiling like this, we could be looking at a nice continuation pattern. Obviously, if this was the flag, I mean, if let's say, for example, our pennant is kind of starting, if I can actually draw, our pennant's starting somewhere here. So if we've got our flagpole looking something like this, we come up to the upside like this. We've obviously got a really nice target for Elrond going well up into $400 for that next move, which we do think is very possible, to be honest. I mean, we're going into ending September, which has been very bearish indeed, going into October, which is typically a very bullish month for financial markets and crypto as well. You'd strongly predict that basically we're going to be getting that pickup pretty damn soon, aren't we? Things have been super bearish over the past few weeks. We've had so much FUD and so much nonsense happening in the market. We just need to get back to, winning ways, really, don't we? And we do think that's probably very likely, to be honest, in the next few days, considering, we've been super bearish. We've been coming back down to fair value on our RSI, etc. We've had a decent correction, come up, made a very big higher low, and then that continuation looks pretty likely in our opinion, especially because we're coiling up for a move like this. It seems likely that, sooner or later we are going to get that bounce to the upside. And if we do get it, then it's going to be very tasty, isn't it? It's going to be a very nice continuation, in our opinion, getting past this all-time high at $300-ish, and really moving on up towards that $1,000 mark, which we do think is a good price target for Elrond by the end of the bull run. $1,000 a token, very likely in our opinion, and that would be a really tasty price target, obviously around a 5x from the current price. So we really do think that's possible, and probably quite likely in our opinion, considering how much Elrond has been pumping, not to mention that, it's got actual DeFi coming soon, and also its market cap still pretty low. So this is a really good quality crypto, isn't it? And it looks as though today, for this daily update, that it is coiling up very nicely for a continuation, basically. So we'll do short-term price predictions then. If we do roll over from this trend line here, we've obviously got a decent bit of support at around $177 at the 0.78, where we could potentially do something like this. We have that come back down, make that double bottom, and then get that reversal to the upside. Or if we do roll over quite significantly, we've obviously got the 618 at around $140, where we could do something like this, sweep the lows, and then really go for that next push to the upside. But we do think how bullish Elrond has been, we're probably not going to see lows like that unless there's a catastrophic failure in the market. And then pushing back to the upside, if we do come up to here to around that $225, $230 level, break out this resistance, back test as support, we're obviously looking to target that all-time high of around $303, and then get back up towards some of these fib extension targets. We've got the 127 here at around $375, the 141 at $472, the 161 at around $641, and also the 227, that massive $1,750-ish level. But we really do think over $1,000 quite likely for Elrond. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.